an LCD screen too if you prefer that.
How do I open? There we go. Okay. I don't think it is. Oh, now it's recording. Isn't exactly the most scenic spot.
No.
But the bridge is interesting.
And that weird angular power tower. Were you just taping me?
Yes, I was.
Hey.
What? What did you think I was doing?
When all 17 generators are operating, we can produce enough power for about 1.2 million homes. Each one of these generators are 7 stories tall, and there's about 35 feet above the floor and 35 feet below the floor. And if you look at this large rotor directly in front of us, that came out of the number 7 generator, the second last one in the row of generators.
Looking at these canyon walls, one can marvel at the tenacity, courage, and skill of the fearless men who performed some of the most dangerous undertakings on the Boulder Canyon project. These brave characters, called characters, that we have in our grasp the power to achieve anything if we only summon the will.